Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this isn't going to be my usual crochet video, which I'm excited about. I am doing faux locks and I'm doing them freestyle, which means no braiding to the scalp for all the people that can't or struggle. These are going to be straight freestyle. Very simple to do as long as you do a couple of steps. So I'm going to make sure that this detailed video is precise and accurate so you guys can pick it up the first time and not the second time like I had to do. Yeah, this is my second try. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, first things first, this is my hair. I'm starting on an old wash and go. It's probably like 2 or 3 days in. I'm just basically going to take my hair down and I'm going to braid at first and then twist the rest of the way because I want this to go really fast. I don't want to be in this chair for 3 hours trying to put in faux locks. So I'm going to start braiding it and then I'm just going to twist it because you guys know it's a lot faster to twist it than to braid it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by doing my individual twist slash braids. I'm going to braid at the beginning and then twist the rest of the way just because it's faster. If you want to braid all the way to the end, you know, c'est la vie, but twisting is a lot faster for me. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 packs of the black and then I've got 1 pack of like a gold. It's 27. Oh, and these are Bobbi Boss new locks. I don't know if I told you guys that. So I got 6 packs total. I don't think I'm going to use 6 packs just because I don't want that many in my hair. So let me go ahead and get started on twisting and braiding my hair, and then I'll let you guys know how many individuals that I have. Alright, so I have twisted my hair. I've got it pinned up because I had to run some errands. So I've got about 40 twists, 40 to 45 twists in here. I tried to do like 10 for each quadrant, but I have a few more in the back than I do in the front. That's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started on it, and then I'll show you guys because the front's easier to show than the back. So I'll go ahead and do the back, and then I'll show you guys how to do the front. Okay, so I want to tell you guys how I'm doing it. I know most of the time I don't talk in my videos, but I want to take you guys through what I'm doing, and then I'll just do a couple of examples after that. So this is my braid. This is my crochet. I just basically have 2 fingers in between the hole. I'm just going to crochet, bring the crochet needle through, put the hook on there, close the hook, and then bring it through. And then when I bring it through, I'm going to take not only the crochet lock, but I'm also going to take my braid and then bring that whole thing through and then tighten up the crochet faux lock. Okay, so this part is very important. What you want to do is you want to I take my fingernail because I've got pointed fingernails. You want to open up, you see how I'm unraveling the crochet hair, and you want to wrap that around your braid or your twist. You want to make sure that the crochet hair is hiding your actual braid. And this is how you can do the faux locks without you being able to see your twist. You see how I'm wrapping? And I'm just going to continue to do that until I get all the way, not to the end, but close to the end of my hair. And that's all I'm going to do. You just basically want to make sure that your twist or your braid is thoroughly hidden. So you're just going to unravel. I'm unraveling. See how I have thick hair, and then you've got the faux lock. Unraveling and then wrapping around. Unravel, wrap around. Unravel, wrap around. And so it took me longer than I anticipated because my hair is a little longer. The shorter your hair is, you should be just fine. But yeah, this took a little longer because I still have this. So I'm going to continue to unravel and wrap around. And now you see where I was having problems because the end of my hair is almost the same length as the faux lock. So this took me a little longer than anticipated. I'm going to continue. So now like that part of my hair is out, not that much. So all I'm going to do after this is to slowly pull at it. So you basically want to, because you have a lot of hair that you wrapped around, you're going to pull at it to make sure. And then when you do that, the end of your hair should get wrapped into the faux lock. So I'm just going to continue to push. You don't want to pull that much. But you see how we have a perfectly good faux lock and our hair is perfectly hidden behind the faux lock. So I'm just gonna do a couple of more, but quick things. What I did do is, because I ended up having, get this out my way, I ended up having 48 twists, and I wanted a little bit more of my faux locks in. So what I did is, and I'll show you guys this one, I use this, so this is what's hiding my actual twist, and then on the same box twist that I have, I just crocheted another. So this is just an empty faux lock. There's nothing in it at all. It's just empty. So this has a twist, and this has an empty, and it's a great way to add locks to your hair without having to do an extra braid. So I did do some of those throughout my hair just to kind of add some volume. Once I'm done, if I realize that I want to add some more, I just put some more crochet faux locks in between with the other braids. So I'm going to continue to finish up the rest of this, and then I will be back. Alright, so I'm all done. I didn't think that I would use as much as I did, but I used every single one of those jewels. I love the bejeweled look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it is very informative. I hope that you guys are able to follow it. I am going to do a video on how to wrap your hair using a headscarf with your faux locks, so like different head wrap, faux lock hairstyles. I'm still not sure what to call it. So be looking out for that. While you're waiting, go ahead and check out all my other videos and hit the subscribe button while you're there. And I will talk to you later, guys. Bye.